Hey, Ethan, do you like spending time outdoors?
Yes, I love being outside. There's nothing better than fresh air and nature. What about you?
Same here. I enjoy doing outdoor activities whenever I can. What's your favorite activity to do outside?
I really enjoy hiking. I love walking through forests and mountains. It's so relaxing. What about you?
I love going to the beach. I enjoy swimming, walking on the sand, and just relaxing.
That sounds amazing. Do you go to the beach alone or with friends?
I usually go with friends or family. It's more fun when I have company. What about you? Do you hike alone?
Sometimes, but I prefer to hike with a group of friends. It's safer and more fun.
That makes sense. Do you do any other outdoor activities?
Yes, I also like cycling. It's a great way to exercise and explore new places.
Oh, I love cycling too. I usually ride my bike at the park on weekends.
That's great. Do you ever go camping?
I've gone camping a few times, but I don't do it often. Do you?
Yes, I love camping in the mountains and making a bonfire at night.
That sounds fun. Do you go alone or with friends?
Always with friends. Camping is more fun when you're with people.
Yeah, I think outdoor activities are better when you share the experience.
I agree. Do you like playing outdoor sports?
Yes, I love playing volleyball at the beach and tennis at the park.
Oh, I love playing soccer with my friends. It's a great way to have fun and stay active.
That's awesome. Do you like going on road trips?
Yes, I love driving to new places, especially to national parks or lakes.
Me too. I enjoy exploring new cities and trying different restaurants.
That sounds fun. If you could do any outdoor activity right now, what would you do?
I think I'd go to the beach and relax by the water. What about you?
I'd go hiking in the mountains and enjoy the view.
That sounds great. Maybe we should plan an outdoor adventure together.
Yes, let's do it this weekend.